Welcome to Smart Money Flow, the channel where we break down smart, simple ways to earn online and build passive income streams that work for you. Today's topic is all about earning daily income, even while you sleep. It might sound like hype, but I'm going to show you 5 completely free websites that actually pay people every single day. Some are fast-paying task platforms. Others are more passive and long-term, but every one of them works with zero upfront cost. So, whether you want to earn a few extra dollars today or build a consistent stream of money that keeps flowing in, this video is for you. Let's dive into the top 5 free websites that pay daily, including one bonus tip at the end to multiply your results. Number 1, Freecash. Freecash.com is one of the most well-known and trusted platforms for earning quick cash online. Here's how it works. After signing up, you'll see a list of offers, which include things like completing surveys, signing up for websites, downloading apps, or testing products. Each task comes with a clear payout rate, and most take just a few minutes to complete. What makes Freecash so popular is how fast it pays out. You can withdraw your earnings as soon as you hit just 10 cents. Seriously, 10 cents. And choose from PayPal, Bitcoin, or even gift cards to stores like Amazon and Google Play. They also offer daily and monthly leaderboards with cash prizes for the most active users. And since new tasks are added regularly, there's always fresh work available. If you want to make real money online starting today, and you don't mind putting in a bit of time doing simple tasks, Freecash is a great place to start. Oh? Most users can make $5 to $20 per day just by staying consistent. Number 2, Sproutigs. Next up is Sproutigs, formerly known as Pickoworkers. It's a microtask marketplace where small businesses and individuals pay you to complete quick, simple jobs. These tasks can be as easy as clicking a link, subscribing to a YouTube channel, making a post, downloading an app, or writing a short comment. While the pay per task is small, often just a few cents, they take very little time, and you can do them from anywhere. With Sproutigs, you can complete multiple tasks per hour, and most users reach the $5 minimum payout within a day or two. Payments are available through PayPal, Skrill, Litecoin, and more. There's also a referral program that lets you earn commission from users you invite to the platform. That means you can build up a small recurring income if you help others get started. Sproutigs is perfect for anyone who wants a quick way to earn some cash without needing any special skills. And because the tasks are always changing, it never feels repetitive. Number 3, Gumroad. Now let's look at something different. If you're tired of trading time for money and want a more passive approach, Gumroad might be exactly what you're looking for. Gumroad is a platform where you can sell digital products online for free. That means once you upload your product, it can sell over and over again without any extra effort. Gumroad handles everything for you, from processing payments to delivering your product to the customer. So what can you sell? Pretty much anything digital. You can sell ebooks, templates, design files, music, Notion planners, workout programs, budget spreadsheets, you name it. And if you don't already have a product, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva to help you create one in a matter of hours. You set the price, write a product description, upload the file, and you're in business. You only pay a small fee per sale. No monthly subscription needed. Once your Gumroad product is live, you can promote it on social media, Reddit, Quora, or even create a faceless YouTube video about it. If the product solves a real problem, people will buy, and you'll get paid daily as sales come in. Number 4, Rev. If you're a fast typer or have strong attention to detail, Rev.com is a great platform to earn daily income through transcription, captioning, and translation work. Rev pays you to listen to audio and convert it into text. You might transcribe podcasts, caption YouTube videos, or subtitle movies. It's flexible, 100% remote, and doesn't require any advanced skills beyond decent English and typing speed. To get started, you apply, take a short grammar and transcription test, and once approved, you'll have access to their job marketplace. You choose what jobs you take and work whenever you want. Jobs are priced per audio minute, not per minute of your time, so it helps to type fast. But with practice, you can earn a steady income. Many freelancers on Rev make $100 to $200 a week just doing part-time work. Payments are made every week via PayPal, but if you complete jobs daily, you'll constantly see money flowing into your account on a rolling basis. It's not passive income, but it's predictable, skill-based, and scalable over time. Number 5, Payhip. Last but definitely not least, Payhip is a digital selling platform very similar to Gumroad, but with even more features and flexibility. With Payhip, you can sell ebooks, memberships, online courses, meal plans, printable templates, coaching sessions, and so much more. Just like Gumroad, it's free to get started, and you only pay a small percentage when you make a sale. The money goes directly into your PayPal or Stripe account, and yes, that means instant payouts. One big advantage of Payhip is its built-in marketing tools. You can offer coupons, bundle deals, email lists, affiliate programs, and even set up a fully functional online store, all without paying for a separate website. You don't need to be an expert either. Use AI to help you build your product. For example, write a short guide on how to budget or plan social media posts, then sell it for $5. With the right traffic, even 1 or 2 sales per day can add up quickly. If you're serious about creating something once and earning from it forever, Payhip is one of the most beginner-friendly platforms out there. Quick recap. Let's quickly review the top 5 websites that pay daily, even when you sleep. Number 1, FreeCash. Complete tasks and withdraw earnings the same day. Number 2, Sproutigs. Microjobs for quick money with no skills required. Number 3, Gumroad. Create a digital product once, get paid forever. Number 4, Rev. Transcribe and caption audio for consistent payouts. Number 5, Payhip. Launch a mini digital business with instant payouts. Each of these platforms has its own strengths. Some pay instantly, others take a few days. Some are more active, others are passive. But every single one is free to use and has the potential to generate daily income if you take action. Bonus tip: here's the key to making this work long-term. Combine at least 2 of these websites. Use Free Cash and Sproutings for short-term active earnings. While you're completing tasks, start building your first digital product on Gumroad or Payhip. That way, you're earning now and building something that can earn later, even while you sleep. If you've got the skills, Rev can give you a consistent freelance income on the side. And with all of these combined, you're not just hustling, you're creating a system that works whether you're online or not. It's not magic, it's just smart money flow. That's it for today's guide on the top 5 free websites that pay you daily, even when you sleep. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Money Flow, your go-to channel for earning smarter, not harder. More faceless tutorials, free AI tools, and passive income strategies are on the way. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.